A Muslim woman's claim that she was discriminated against on a United Airlines flight to Washington. Tahera Ahmed says a flight attendant refused to give her an unopened can of Diet Coke, but then that same flight attendant handed an unopened can of beer to another passenger. Well, when Ahmed questioned the flight attendant, they replied, she says, saying she might use the can as a weapon. Ahmed later took to Facebook and described her experience. She said she was humiliated. She was left in tears. Joining us now to talk about this and a few other cases is criminal defense attorney and HLN legal analyst Joey Jackson. So, Joey, when you look at this, the first thing you think is, first of all, could she sue for discrimination, and what would she have to have, compiled? What evidence would she need to get this case going?
Sure, Christy. Good morning to you. Look, the reality is this, is that it comes down to what your damages would be. Absolutely, she can sue. Then, of course, it'll be a measure of how she was damaged and how she was affected, and that'll turn on the issue of humiliation. No one, of course, should be subjected to any type of discrimination. And remember, Christy, the country has taken great pains to really provide for people to exercise their religious freedoms. You look at the First Amendment, not only as it relates to freedom of speech, but the Establishment Clause. Establish whatever religion you want. And the Free Exercise Clause. Practice whatever religion you want. 14th Amendment, equal protection. Everybody's entitled to equal protection under the law. And when you treat one person in a way that you don't treat another person, it becomes problematic, because we know that apparently, according to the facts, a can of unopened beer was provided to another passenger, and there was no indication that they would use it as a weapon. And so the issue becomes, was she treated differently than someone else? And to the extent that she could establish that she was, then, of course, her claim could prevail.